Now that we understand the importance of LLMOps, let's explore the topic further. In this video, we will provide an overview of the various stages in the lifecycle of LLM applications. In Chapter 1, we'll delve into the ideation phase, which is about planning. In Chapter 2, we'll explore the development phase, focusing on building the application. Finally, in Chapter 3, we'll examine the operational phase, which is about deploying and maintaining the application. We have the ability to shift between different phases, moving in both directions as necessary. The arrows connecting these phases signify the flexibility of the process, which doesn't always follow a sequential path. For example, during development, there might be need for additional planning, leading us back to the ideation phase. Likewise, in the operational phase, we might identify the requirement for further application development, motivating a return to the development phase. This course aims to provide a conceptual understanding of these phases and how they relate to each other. The first step of the ideation phase is data sourcing, which is the process of identifying data needs, finding data sources, and making them available. We then move on to base model selection, which is about selecting the right base LLM for our application's use case. In the development phase, we start with prompt engineering, where we focus on crafting effective prompts to ensure the model produces accurate outputs. We should think about different architectures for shaping our application, such as chains and agents. Various techniques exist that boost a model's performance, such as RAG and fine-tuning. The last consideration in the development phase is testing, which is about determining when the application is ready for production. In the operational phase, our first activity centers around deploying our application to production. Moreover, monitoring and observability helps us keep track of how well everything is working. Another consideration is cost management, which is about handling the expenses associated with using these models. Concluding the operational phase is the implementation of governance and security, which includes access controls and measures to mitigate threats. Understanding the specific phases helps us prioritize activities, allocate resources effectively, set realistic timelines, and identify potential bottlenecks. Putting all of the pieces together gives us a full picture of the LLMOps lifecycle. This overview will act as a guide throughout the chapters.